YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. What Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. So this weekend, well, Sunday, yesterday, matter of fact, I went down to Manhattan, hit up the Jacob Javits car show. I really didn't think I was gonna vlog up in here, matter of fact. I really didn't, but hence I was going there anyway. But I was like, you know what? Let's just vlog. I haven't been down there since, when was the last time I've been down there? Oh, I haven't been down there since, I don't know, like 2017 or something like that, 2016, 2017. I don't know. I'm gonna let y'all check it out. They didn't have, well, we'll talk about the gripes after. Y'all check out the vid. I'll be right back. See you when I see you in a second. Out.
Yeah. I heard my dad say, Jesus, take the wheel on this coke run. Make me a millionaire as soon as the low's done. I was a baby. So as I lay me down to sleep, I pray to me. Yo. Dropping drug money in the offering plate. We were losing our souls, they were calling us great. I don't think y'all heard me. I was dropping drug money in the offering plate. I was losing my soul, they were calling me great. Fuck. Y'all idolize the wrong shit. Rental cars through Baltimore with Florida plates. Draft bleed my neck cell when they deported Jose. If I'd have left an hour later, I've been caught in the rain. Find it uncomfortable to thank the Lord to this day. You know me, Lord of the safe, hogging the space. Nice house with a garden, a lake. Throwing parties in the spot, dog in the place. Last supper painting on the wall. That's the last supper I'm making for you all. You gotta find somebody else to eat off of. I'm paying every time you fuck up. Y'all been out here taking free losses. How will you ever learn if every time you turn you see me handing you freebies? This can't be life. What's that on your neck? That can't be ice. I really know you, and I understand what you go through. Trying to fit in, thinking they won't accept you for who you are. I went down that same road for too long. Come on, master your role. Attract what you need. The worst things you can mix is passion and greed. And we all know you crash when you speed. Starting to act like all these rappers we see with a master's degree and acting like me. I pray for you, my nigga. I hope you get what you deserve. I pray it all gets delivered better sooner than later. I hope it makes you remember who you are, my nigga, and where you came from. Cause we're the same ones who were dropping drug money in the offering plate. We were losing our souls, they were calling us great. Dropping drug money in the offering plate. We were losing our souls, they were calling us great. Get on your knees and pray. Money laundering while pondering on houses in Cali. Remodels from the valley and take them to eat at rallies. Would think a nigga raised her, she keep calling me daddy. She keep calling me daily from different numbers. She had me for a while, now she want more off for these vain reasons. I came creeping, chain gleaming in the range chiefing. Slang speaking, she came over and came even. Sipping, drink, sleeping, we had an insane weekend. Gutter, only trust her cause I met her through a brother. Young wild motherfucker connected to him through colors. Used to send me pounds, won't even trip, he would front him. Let my young niggas catch it and he wouldn't even rush him. Hey, it's going down, cliche, I know it sounds, but you had to be there when that wave was thrown around. Escape the raid, it's safe to say I hold the crown. Now it feels like a parade when I float around. Aw man, trill nigga, I'm all in. In this dark land, I'm consistently ballin'. Fuck is y'all saying? Y'all playing, I'm all in. I'm armed in, dangerous, what's y'all plan? Nowhere to run. Anything the way your gun caught you where you at. Don't give a fuck where you from, nigga staring at me and I'm staring back. If you dare to clap, round of applause, I'm cheering back. Spectacular show, we should take this on the road. Everybody sees it, but not everybody knows. Hard to wrap your head around this type of life we sound alike. Maybe just our voices, but our choices prove I'm down tonight. They catch a body, probably sell a brick on Easter. Spent Christmas swiping fake visas, and you, I don't see me much. My ratchet bitches keep switching their hair colors in the mix with different niggas. I feel for her dear mother. Respect the jokes, This is where you take your chain off, shave your cane dog while your apron hangs off. I was trained for money, fame, war, and I want it all until my name's called. All I see is colors, pink roses for hoes chosen to sip red rose with soldiers in red posing. Blue skies, purple weed we smoke mostly, purple drink we hold closely. It's so deep, so take the evil out the people who ain't acting right, cause both black and white is smoking crack tonight. Y'all don't feel me, even though you acting bright. I'ma make sure this is captioned right so you can honor the moves while you follow the groove. Club nights, we piling up and dividing the tools. Impalas behind us following an honorable crew. Who will swallow they blood before they write what they view. True. You already know what I need, yeah. Big kisses on your knees. Whenever you feeling down, sip a little bit of brown. Hit the green till it's hard for you to breathe. If you wanna feel like me, yeah, you could always hit the lane. Might be red, might be purple, might be pink. You could fuck again once you wake up from your sleep. Oh man. Colors, 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 colors. My city is ruined, them youngins shooting for power. Chewed up by the streets and swallowed. I do more than just scour the streets for dollars. I'm honored to be the voice of the ghetto. See, I told you pick a craft, make a choice and don't settle. Keep reaching levels, the devil can't touch me, brushing with death. Gave my soul to them corners, I promise nothing is left. It's the city of sin, but I'm really a gem. Sell a brick to my kin, till it's litty again. Tell my niggas I love them, most of them locked in the pen. And I can't pick up a pen, how selfish of him. I've been shining on the gram, you see my pictures with Ross. Still I'm asking what's the ticket on the brick of that raw. Picking bitches up, I'm whipping up and tricking it all. Steadily mixing my soda, heavily sipping that sauce. My big homie bought a Beamer. My big homie bought a Beamer. My little homie bought a gun. And my big homie bought a Beamer while he was on the run. I got my game from the corner, I brought it into the music. My whole life is a movie, I feel I'm destined to do this. I tell the truth and they lose it, you telling lies and I laugh. I've been driving too fast, leaving my crimes in the past. My 9 in the stash, cause I'm trying to last. I brought the fish to the table, and we frying it fast. I take the jewels from the elders and pass it down to the youth. My big homie was ballin', but he got killed in his coupe. I know the youngin' who did it, and he's still on the loose. He was only 17, just shooting to shoot. He was fresh off the stoop, trying to get in the game. Niggas ballin' around him while he's hungry and pain. It's a shame how the hatred will make you kill for a name. But he bought a gun, and he bought a chain. See, he bought some rounds, and he bought a Beamer. Put some dark tints on it, still it was easy to see ya. My big homie bought a Beamer. My big homie bought a Beamer. But my little homie bought a gun. My big homie bought a Beamer while he was on the run. Life with no limits. If I want it, I could have it. My bad habits gave me balance. There you have it. Money and jewelry, fly women living unruly. But I like you for now. Don't lose me. Fuck you for an hour, then jump in the shower with you. See, for her, a Celine bag is a power symbol. Fly hustlers from the 80s is who I resemble. Parking Porsches in the projects was monumental. But my higher learning is why my desire's burning. Riot for peace, it don't matter how they try to turn it. We know the truth, we hold the proof. We seen the devil, we know it's you. See, it was written on our souls. All these cryptic codes that we unlock yearly is the real reason that they fear me. Feel me, if they kill me, I smile in my casket and resurrect, more prepared for the action. I could fly, I swear. I wish every real nigga could live forever, and all my friends could have did they biz together. They're all separated, except Poe and Rock. Man, I really miss the times when we spoke a lot. Send them some energy, they're all winners to me. The game twisted, I'm beginning to see. A gold Cuban used to be living in me, even when the living room was like 7 degrees. When did our priorities get so twisted? I must have missed it. I guess when you mix misfits with mischief, you find greed and you lose what made you mystic at God's speed. But if God's me, then I could tap back in at any minute and use whatever's in it. I could fly, this I swear, and still arrive if I miss my lair. Yeah. They can never tell us what we're worth. If we want it all, it's cause we deserve it. Truth is, I love us for real. Hey, Miss Monique, we know that's a horrible deal. And it's fair if you compare yourself to Chappelle, Chris Rock, Richard Pryor, any legend you feel. We know every lie they tell we done heard before. Sometimes words can't explain why we deserve it all. We always gotta make it from the dirt. They never wanna pay us what we're worth. This only makes me want it more now. 98 yards to go and it's 4th down. Punt it, nah, I'ma run it. I ain't giving nothing to you, you gon' have to take it from them. I never fumble with the pack, I'm in the huddle with the Mac. All this trouble where I'm at. This is the only jungle where a rat could knock a fucking lion on his back.
All right, so, yep, that was the car show. What did I like? I got to see the ZR1. Oh, big bank, yeah, yo. That truck was a beast. That 450 is tough, you know what I'm saying? Sitting on 40s. I said, whoa, you know what I'm saying? Pause if you have to on that. The old school section, yeah, the old school Beamers and stuff. Yeah, the old school Beamers, definitely. Them joints was tough. I was looking at the engine, I was like, nah, they don't drive these joints on the street at all. They can't, ain't no way. Some of the Supras, some of those old Japanese Flav type vehicles, yeah, those were cool too. My highlight was that ZR1. That was for display only. There was no like up close and no interaction with it, nothing like that. I wish I could have got in, I believe, yeah, they had the Z06 there. Yeah, they had the Z06. I wish I could have got up in that joint, but there was no way that I'd have been able to, you know, sit there and like record. I wanted to get a full shot and I was down there solo. What didn't I like? Yo, they didn't have the Raptor there. They did not have the Raptor. I was expecting that they was gonna have the Raptor R. I asked somebody from Ford, I'm like, yo, am I tripping? Did I not see the Raptor? So they're like, oh no, but we got the Bronco Raptor. I didn't ask about that. I wanna see the Raptor, that Raptor R. Brother, if I ever get another truck, it is gonna be that. It's either gonna be out of that Raptor. They had the Ram, but it's either gonna be out of that Raptor or the Ram. I love the Raptor. I don't like the interior Ford. Dodge got them when it comes to interior, no doubt. But I wish I could have gotten the Ram, but same thing, just like the Corvette. I didn't have anybody to hold the cam, you know what I'm saying? So I was just like, you know what? I'll take what I can get. Audi didn't really have what I was looking for. I did see that Durango. That Durango Hellcat was pretty tough too. I wish they would have had some lowriders out there, like hitting switches and stuff. That would have been pretty dope. Yeah, but I think the quality of show has kind of like gone down from the past years, I believe. And that's just me. I started going, I think the first time I went was probably like 2013 or 2014. And I know I did go again in 2016. And I was kind of like, okay, you know, I just thought it was gonna be something a little crazier, but it is what it is. Shout out to Marlon though, you know what I'm saying? You had your family out there, that's what's up. Appreciate you. Said you support the channel.
Thanks, cuz.
I know I've been slacking on the content, but this is what happened. Last week, I didn't get the neons. I don't believe I am gonna cop the pink joints, even if I had a chance. I'm cool. And I felt like I was the only person that didn't get the SBs. Yeah, but I got a pickup that I forgot about. It's a Westside Gun joint. I just remembered. It's still in the pack. I'm not gonna unbox it here. It's no point. But I got that. I got 3 colognes coming straight from Joma shop. All Nietzsche's. Word. So I definitely got that. I do have a sneaker coming sometime this week, I believe. But I already hit on them joints, but I do got those coming. So that's gonna be that. Hopefully I can get back into the rhythm. But DR trip is coming soon. Yes!
I knew it.
I mean, soon, brother. I just did my 3-day juicing, hit that 178 mark. Now I'm back drinking. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mouth. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, for real. Liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter be.
Lo mejor nunca se sube, al menos que en la radio salga esta canción.
But that's Snaps. It's your boy Wavy. You already know it's my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.